Let me show you why it's so important that we correct circling roots at planting for woody shrubs and trees. So we noticed as we were walking by that this tree has an unusual swelling at the base of this trunk. This is not the same as your typical root flare that you would want to see at the base of a mature tree. So we came over, did a little excavation, and we have exposed the presence of a very large mature girdling root. And essentially this was once a circling root in a small container that wasn't corrected at planting, and as the tree trunk began to mature, so did those circling roots. They also began to expand in diameter. Now that circling root has turned into a girdle at the base of this trunk, and it's trapping nutrients and moisture right above that restrictive area, and that's what's creating this bulge. The tree looks okay right now, but as it continues to mature, that girdling is just going to become worse and worse, and we're going to see slow decline of this plant over time. Certified arborists do have an expensive service that they can offer to correct girdling roots, but it's pretty invasive, can be risky for the tree, and again, it's pretty costly. We even have another root on the opposite side of the tree that's doing the same thing. So this is why it is so important that we correct circling roots at time of planting to prevent girdling as these trees and woody shrubs mature.